How to perform an ion measurement. Welcome to this ion measurement video of NineFocus. NineFocus is fully set up with the analog module inserted in channel 2. The PerfectION Fluoride sensor and the NTC 30 kOhms temperature probe are connected to the meter. Both the sensor and the temperature probe are mounted on easy place. The sensor is already calibrated and ready for the measurement. Please note that ion measurements can only be performed with analog modules. Connect the PerfectION sensor. To connect the sensor, begin by navigating to the hamburger menu and selecting Sensors. Click the New button to create a new sensor. Ensure that the category of the new sensor is set to ion and the type of sensor is chosen as analog. Now let's name the sensor Fluoride. Make sure that the sensor is assigned to channel 2. After entering this information, click OK. Next, choose the ion type as F from the available options and then click Create. Now navigate back to the sensor list. Here, you'll find your newly created sensor listed among others. To finish, simply close this view to return to the home screen. Connect the sensor to the ion measurement method. Next, pull down the method list and click on New to create a new measurement. From the templates available, select Measurement and click Create. In the General section, name your measurement Fluoride measurement. Navigate to the Configuration tab. In this tab, first choose Ion as the parameter. Then, move to the Sensor section and choose the previously created sensor. Finally, set the temperature capture to Sensor and select NTC 30 kOhms for the temperature sensor. Next, let's navigate to the Sequence, which contain one method function measurement. Click on the measurement. The unit is set to milligram per liter. You'll see the decimal places option, which is set to 1. For the endpoint type, ensure it's set to automatic. Next, navigate to Stability Criteria and select Standard. Add a stir method function. Let's select Edit Sequence. Click on the plus sign before the measurement and add the stir method function. The mode is set to stir fixed duration. Then the channel your stirrer is connected to is chosen. In our example, we'll select stirrer 2. The duration is set to 6 seconds and the speed is set to 30%. Enable the Continue Stirring After Method function and set the continuous stirring speed to 20%. Click Create to save your ion measurement and navigate back. Return to Configuration. Check if the number of samples is set to 1. Click Save, and then click on Create Task. Start the analysis process by pressing the Start button. Clean the sensor thoroughly using distilled water, ensuring to dab it dry gently with a towel. The appropriate volume of ionic strength adjuster ISA is used for the calibration. Now it's time to start the measurement. You'll observe that the sample is stirred for 6 seconds at 30% stirring speed. Since we already cleaned the sensor, confirm the reminder. After confirming it, the measurement starts. Once the measurement is finished, you're asked to confirm the result. Thank you for following this ion measurement video and try it yourself.